National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Adams County in southwestern Wisconsin, eastern Juneau County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11:02 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over the United in Christ Lutheran Church, or over Monroe Center, moving east at 21 miles per hour. Hazard, 43 mile per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include United in Christ Lutheran Church, Monroe Center, Peterborough Lake, Strong's Prairie, Nista Town Hall, and Nacenda Airport DAF. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.